These are the 7 most important quick repairs that all homeowners need. These repair topics are the most viewed across my channel, and I know you would get a lot of benefit from these rapid repairs. And stick around, the last quick rapid repair has hundreds of thousands of views and I get questions on it all the time. Do you have this problem with one of your doors? You can fix a sagging door that is rubbing at the top with mostly only a crescent wrench. What you want to do here is take that top hinge pin out with the pin out. Simply take a wood shim or something similar and slide it between your sagging door at the top jamb. You notice how those loops on the hinge are out of alignment? This is from years of use and sagging. Doors will sag over time, just like a 50-year-old man. Happens to me. You just need your trusty crescent wrench to fit over the hinges, and with consistent firm pressure, you will have the leverage to bend those hinge loops back together. You did it. I knew you could. Do you have any small cracks in your vinyl siding? It's a huge problem. How do you fix it? A small vinyl siding mending kit is all you need. So here we have a fairly close spray paint. We're going to apply the paint and let it dry before we put the vinyl patch on. Okay, you can use the grid underneath to see how much you want to cut off. This will ensure a fairly straight line. It feels good. It's not cheap. I'm going to center it. Now, if you were to get air bubbles, you can smooth them out by pushing from the inside out. Also, what will happen is the wood grain simulation from the vinyl siding will start to peer through over time. That makes it look more realistic. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Do you have a wobbly toilet? It's annoying and it can cause a water leak and cause damage. If it's just wobbling, this is what you do. Instead of wood, you want to use plastic shims. Okay, with those shims safely in place, if you want, you can finish with a nice bead of caulk and give it a finished look. That movement has completely stopped. There is no wobbling to the front or back. Those shims should last for years. If your furnace isn't running right or not staying on, the #1 cause for sure is a bad flame sensor. It's inside your furnace. You can replace it yourself. There's no safety risk here. $20. Let's do the flame sensor replacement. Okay, remember to always turn off the power first. On most furnaces, you will have a disconnect right here. Now, if you have an open style like this, it's easy. You very well may have a sealed burner. If you have a sealed burner, it's just a couple little screws to remove. I'll show you what that looks like. After you have access to your burner area, you want to locate your flame sensor. And we're going to find the mounting screw. There's only one here. That's the most common. There's literally only one screw. And before I pull that flame sensor out, I want to disconnect the wire. There we go. Wire's disconnected. Look at that, years of corrosion built up on it. We're going to drop it down in the correct position, right in front of the burner. Okay, screw it on down. I even gave it a little crimp with a needle nose pliers to make sure it's on there firmly, it's not going to fall off. Okay, with that done, we're going to turn the power back on. Oh man, not again! Whenever you have these hollow wall anchors that look like this, I want you to throw them away. Upgrade medium quality to a wall anchor like this that will open up behind the wall and give you extra strength. Out of the package, they're gonna look like this. Now you're gonna bend it and look at that, like a duck, quack, quack. They'll slip right into your wall sleeve, your drywall, your paneling. It'll flop right open and then you'll screw into it and your wall will bite tight. Give it a little tap. Next, the screw provided with the wall anchor is used right through to your bracket and you're going to screw in. You don't have to over tighten it at all. Okay, with those fastened in place, we don't even need the second screws. You'll see that will hold just fine. Proper drywall anchors by Toggler are a great option. Hey, the online bullies will tell you they would never use a push connector. That's not true. You can change that out yourself without calling a plumber and save hundreds of dollars. So with one of the wrenches, I want you to hold onto the valve, and with the larger wrench, we're going to grab that nut and start to loosen it. For the ferro puller, slide that over and you want your nut to screw into that. What it's doing is it's pushing them apart, and if you look right there, you see it coming towards me. This was only an $11 part. The magic is here. You'll be successful as long as you push it in the correct depth. This one feels pretty firm. Okay, like I said earlier, if your flex connector is still in good condition, go ahead and reuse that. You don't have to go crazy tight here, just snug it up pretty good. Okay, with the angle stop, go ahead and open that up. Now you can check for leaks here. Did you just replace your smoke detector batteries and it's still beeping? So annoying. I know you want to smash it with a hammer. The manufacturers make these with a 10-year life cycle. So after 10 years, the inside circuitry is considered not reliable. They actually will show you the date of manufacture on there. It's June of 2024. New smoke detectors will come with a protective cover of some type. You do want to keep them on if you're remodeling, new construction, painting, anything really dusty. Now in the smoke detector little box, they will come with 2 screws and the hollow core anchors. That means you don't have to look for a stud. You can install them anywhere you want. Simply mark the holes. All right, with those hollow core anchors, you're just going to tap them right in. Okay, with the battery activated, we're ready to go. You're simply just going to insert and twist it to the right, and it's locked in place and you're good to go for many, many years. I hope this has demystified a little bit about smoke detectors, their proper use and locations. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever in the comments down below. Hey guys, I know you can do this yourself.